Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are enjoying good health. Today we will see the importance of punctuation in English language. Think punctuation isn't worth learning, think again, because without punctuation English is very difficult to comprehend. Let's try again. Think punctuation isn't worth learning, think again, because without punctuation English is very difficult to comprehend. So you can just analyze the importance of punctuation marks in English language. You can see here the first part was without punctuation. I spoke without using punctuation. And in the later part you can see punctuation is there. So with punctuation English is very difficult. Without punctuation English is very difficult to comprehend. But with punctuation we can understand language in written form. With punctuation we will find it easy to comprehend the language. Punctuation is essential and is used to convey and clarify the meaning of written language. It is such simple marks as the full stop or the comma and the more complex ones of semicolons and hyphens. Getting punctuation wrong can change the entire meaning of a sentence. So we just focus on getting punctuation wrong can change the entire meaning of a sentence. So our whole meaning of conversation or our whole meaning of whatever we want to convey will be entirely changed if we are using wrong punctuation. So if you want to make sure your written English is understood, just focus on punctuation. So we cannot deny the importance of punctuation marks in English language or in written form. While writing, you have to use punctuation marks, because without punctuation we cannot clarify our meaning to others. There are so many punctuation marks in English language: full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, question mark, hyphen, exclamation marks, apostrophe, slash, quotation mark, round brackets, ellipses. So you can just see full stop at the end of a sentence, comma to separate items in a series, colon to introduce a list, semicolon to join two independent clauses, question mark to show that it is a question, hyphen join words together to indicate that they have a combined meaning, exclamation marks after an exclamation, apostrophe to show when a letter or a number has been left out, slash to separate letters, numbers or words, quotation marks to show that someone else has said it, round brackets to add some information, some extra information, ellipses to separate items in a series. So this is just the introduction of punctuation marks. We will see them one by one. Today we will just focus on how much punctuation is important in written language by seeing some examples. Let's eat grandma. Let's eat grandma. Punctuation saves lives. You can see here the role of punctuation. In the first sentence, when you are not using punctuation, it means we are going to eat grandma. But in the second sentence, when we are using comma, it means let's eat grandma. Grandma, please come, we want to eat together. Or we should eat together. Another example with punctuation, I just love to bake children, means he is just telling children that I love to bake. And in the second picture you can see I just love to bake children. What does it mean? Means he is going to bake children. He loves to bake children. So again you can see punctuation saves lives. You can see punctuation changes everything. It changes the whole meaning of the entire sentence. It's raining cats and dogs. You know very well raining cats and dogs is an idiom, but here by using comma after raining you can identify that the girl is talking to cats and dogs about rain. Means she is saying to cats and dogs, it's raining. So here it's not an idiom, raining cats and dogs. Time to eat children. So you can see she is not using comma after eat. Means he just want to say to children, time to eat. Let's come eat together children. But what she is saying? She is saying time to eat children. Means she just want to eat children. Again you can see the role of punctuation, role of commas, that commas save lives. You can identify the value of punctuation by having this example: private, no visitors allowed. Private, no visitors allowed. So you can just identify in the first, no visitors allowed means no visitors can come inside. No visitors are allowed here, it means. But in the second part you can see no visitors allowed. No visitors allowed. It means no private, no private, no. He is asking private, no visitors are allowed. It means here he is denying this statement. This is not private, but visitors are allowed. Visitors are allowed here. We are going to learn to cut and paste kids. So you can see after paste there is no comma. If you are not using any comma after paste, it means you are going to cut and paste kids. But if you are using comma after paste, you can understand we are going to learn to cut and paste kids. Kids, please come here. We are going to learn to cut and paste. We are going to learn how to cut and paste. So you are just saying to kids, please come here. We are going to learn a new thing today, and that is how to cut and paste. It means punctuation matters a lot. Punctuation matters a lot in your life. It is so important. It has so much importance in your life. An English professor wrote the words, a woman without her man is nothing. And he asked his students to punctuate it correctly. You know what happened next? All of the males in the class wrote, a woman without her man is nothing. In their favor, they wrote, a woman without her man is nothing. And all the women in the class wrote, a woman without her man is nothing. A woman without her man is nothing. So you can identify how much powerful is the use of punctuation. So punctuation is of great importance. We cannot deny the importance of punctuation in written language. So when you are writing, you must focus on punctuation marks. Using punctuation in your writing helps the reader to clarify the meaning, to clearly understand the message that is being conveyed. Punctuation primarily helps to indicate the pauses and the emphasis on certain ideas or thoughts that are discussed in the text. So punctuation helps to indicate the pauses, means where we have taken the pauses in spoken form, in spoken language. In writing, we can use punctuation marks to emphasize, to clarify what we mean. While in speaking, we are doing so by pauses, by taking a stop, by changes in our tone, in our voice, pitch. In spoken language, we can make pauses, stops. We can use intonation, high pitch, low pitch. So in speaking, punctuation is there in the form of pauses, stops, intonation, tone of voice. But in written language, in writing, we use full stop, comma, inverted commas, colon, semicolon, hyphen, dashes. So in written form, we use these punctuation marks, and that are used to convey our message to our readers, what we want to convey, what we want to communicate. What does it mean, what we are saying? So in writing, learn to use these punctuation marks correctly. We will see the use of punctuation marks one by one, and we will also practice whatever we will study. We will also practice that. Inshallah, you will be able to use punctuation correctly in written language, in written form. So till that time, take care. Allah Hafiz.